Hello, my name is Ginza, and today I will show you a cool Jupyter code, Python code. So you can see here, I made 4 turtles. The background color is black. I changed all of their colors and put all of their speed to 400. They do this thing 200 times. And as you can see, Tom and Tom 1 go forward 150. Tom 2 and Tom 3 go backwards 150. Tom and Tom 3 go 123 right. And Tom 2 and Tom go left 123 times. So let's see how this turns out when I click run. Run. Okay, here it is. This is a really cool Python code. If you want to try, you can either rewind or keep watching because I'm going to show how to do it. Okay. So first, import turtle. Enter. Tom equals turtle pen. Tom equals turtle pen. Tom 1 equals turtle pen. Tom 1 equals turtle pen. And then let's see. And then enter. Okay. I did. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3. Okay. Turtle dot bg color hints. Okay. No space here. Okay. You could choose any background color you would like. So this time I'm gonna keep it blue. Okay. And then Tom. You guys could choose any color for the background color or your turtle's color. Okay. And then I'll choose black. And then Tom 1. Okay. Oh, I did this wrong. Not background color. It's just color. Okay, I'll do white. Oh. Okay. Oh, and this is Tom 1. Okay, Tom 2. Color. Let's do purple. Okay, and then Tom 3. Color is, let's see. Let's keep the color as yellow. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay. Okay, now it's time for the speed. Tom speed. Let's see. Let's do 500 this time. Okay. Okay. Okay, Tom 1, Tom 2, and Tom 3. Okay, and then okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. For X in range. For X in range. 200. 200. Okay. Let's see. Okay, Tom 4. Okay, let's see. Okay. So Tom forward 150. So you can see from here, I changed the color from both of these codes. So let me delete this code. Wait. Okay, yeah. Okay, I saved that code. Okay. So let's try running this. Wait. So you see I got an error because I think I forgot to put a period somewhere. Line 3. Okay. Oh, I see what happened. Oh. Okay, I forgot to put the periods. Now let's click run. Okay. Okay, wait. Let's see. Okay. If you want, you guys, you can like copy this thing so you can try it on your own. And have a cool design like this one. Okay. Bye.